Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry I did not have an intro today, but I was doing my makeup for school and I did not have time. So anyway, I am doing a Valentine's pink halo eye with red glitter, and here I am priming my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Set it with the airspun powder, and I am going to take a pink shade from the 35B palette, and I am going to blend it around my eye. And this is going to be my transition shade, but it's also going to be my main shade. And then here I am packing on the same shade to start making the halo, and I'm just blending that out. Then I am taking the red shade and I am going to put it around the halo, and I'm going back with the pink shade and I'm going to blend that out. And then I realized that I should have used a darker pink, so I went in with Love Letter from Modern Renaissance, and I put it in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. And then I went back with the red shade, and I'm just going to make it a little bit more red, and then I'm going to blend it out. And then I am taking red glitter. I got this from Amazon. And then I am going to take some Too Faced glitter glue, and I am just packing on the glitter. And I did not do my eyeliner and my eyelashes on camera, but here I am doing my face makeup, and I am just using my MAC Studio Fix powder. And I'm sorry it's shaky, but I was doing this in the car, and yeah. Okay, now I am at school putting on my blush, and then I am taking some highlight from Fenty Beauty and Hustle Baby, and I am going to highlight my face. And here I'm just putting some in my inner corner, and then on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and I am going to blend it out a little bit. And then I'm going to put some on my Cupid's bow. And now I am glowing. So this is a final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.